If you're in Gurugram and need to replace the original display on your Apple MacBook Pro, look no further than City Court Apple Repair Center. In this video, we'll show you the step-by-step process of how we replace the original display on your MacBook Pro. From assessing the damage to installing the new display, we'll walk you through every stage of the repair process. First, we'll start by assessing the damage to your MacBook Pro's original display. Our technicians will carefully inspect the screen to determine the extent of the damage and whether it can be repaired or if a replacement is necessary. If a replacement is required, we'll order a genuine Apple display from our trusted suppliers. We only use genuine Apple parts to ensure the highest quality repair possible. Once the new display arrives, we'll get to work on installing it. We'll carefully remove the damaged display and install the new one, making sure everything is properly connected and aligned. We'll also thoroughly test the new display to ensure that it's functioning properly. At City Court Apple Repair Center, we understand that your time is valuable. That's why we work quickly and efficiently to complete the repair as soon as possible, without compromising on quality. So if you need a replacement for your Apple MacBook Pro's original display in Gurugram, come to City Court Apple Repair Center. We're here to help get your device back to working like new again. Call 93198 6480.